Morning. Okay, so I have a few free hours and I want to, my hair. I want to do my makeup for you guys and watch Freaky Friday. First and foremost. So I've been wanting to do my routine for you guys for a while, but I use a lot of samples. So I guess I'm just gonna be telling you guys all my secrets today and we're just gonna go from there. Okay, I did a little bit of a warmer color today, so just want to make sure. Oh, we are just so good. Like, what? My skin, you guys. Okay, it cut off, which is just fabulous. But I'm using this Mario bronzer. I just put it on in shade medium. Then I want to bring my face up. So my bronzer is going to be a little higher. Okay, I'm using another secret product. I'm going to put a little bit on palette because I feel like when you put concealer directly on your face, you end up using a lot more product. So I'm just going to put it onto a brush. And then I can control the product a little bit more. Pretty, we're just using a little bit. I got a little. Okay. Down the nose really quick. Now we're gonna blend. Then I flip over the beauty blender. I blend the bronzer. We're gonna set the under eye. I'm using my soft pink setting powder. Just a little, got a little too much. I'm gonna do the Charlotte Tilbury powder in shade 3. And I'm just gonna set the rest of my face really quick. Okay, now we're gonna do the most important step, which is blush. This is my Glow Bomb in shade Feelings Neutral. And I like to add them after powder because I feel like it brings life back into your face. Is that what the shade looks like? And then we are glowing in honor of my Batman collection coming out on the 19th. We're gonna use this palette. So pretty. I'm just gonna set my eye. Then I'm gonna do He Returns and Hideout. I'm gonna do a smudgy looking blue liner, so I'm gonna add a little bit more powder just in case we have some fallout. So I'm gonna use Bold, this blue. I think I'm gonna start with smudging. This blue is like really so insane. I started doing something crazy on this eye and I think I really like it. I gotta let my hair down for this. Now I'm gonna do Batgirl. It has a blue shimmer and I'm gonna put it all over my lid. I really like my under eye with no blue, so I'm just gonna do a little bit of this brown. I'm gonna brush up my brows, do some mascara. Mascara is on. A little bit of coconut. The Batman collection comes with a little lip trio. The blue actually might be really cool. And then this is like the nude. I'm just gonna do the nude. It has a little bit of sparkle in it. They smell like candy. I'm gonna fix my hair now since I slept on it. This is the full look. I actually really love it. I didn't know where this was going, but I'm happy it went. I feel really cute. The Batman collection also launches on the 19th, so if you guys want to check it out, I'll see you there.